Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flowspace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 13. We will study 12 new vocabulary words together. The words are abstract, ally, appoint, attentive, bonus, carefree, courtesy, manufacture, mistrust, noticeable, overthrow, and peculiar. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is abstract. Say it with me, abstract. Abstract is an adjective. It means having to do with an idea or quality rather than a real object. It can also mean hard to understand. In art, abstract means not looking exactly like real people or things. For example, a character in a book may stand for an abstract idea such as kindness. Another example is, abstract art often uses color and shape in creative ways. Some synonyms are conceptual, theoretical, and obscure. Some antonyms are real, concrete, and realistic. What is an abstract idea? Can a picture be abstract? Our next word is ally. Say it with me, ally. Ally can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, ally means to unite or join for a special purpose. As a noun, ally means a person or country joined with another for a special purpose. For example, parents may ally themselves with teachers to tutor students who need extra help. Another example is, Great Britain was an ally of the United States in World War II. Some synonyms are associate and partner. Some antonyms are enemy and opponent. Why do people become allies? Who can be a good ally at school? Our next word is appoint. Say it with me, appoint. Appoint is a verb. It means to choose someone for a position or duty. It can also mean to decide on something. For example, some mayors appoint their town's police chief. Another example is, the teacher will appoint a class leader. Some synonyms are designate, assign, and elect. Some antonyms are dismiss, remove, and suspend. Why is it important to appoint responsible leaders? Who would you appoint as a team captain? Our next word is attentive. Say it with me, attentive. Attentive is an adjective. It means paying attention, thoughtful, and polite. For example, when you write a composition, you should be attentive to spelling and punctuation. Another example is, the attentive student listened carefully. Some synonyms are alert, considerate, and courteous. Some antonyms are inattentive and inconsiderate. How can you be attentive in class? Why is attentive listening important? Our next word is bonus. Say it with me, bonus. Bonus is a noun. A bonus is something extra or beyond what is owed or expected. For example, not every employee gets a bonus at the end of the year. Another example is, finishing early was a bonus for the team. Some synonyms are reward, benefit, gift, and prize. Some antonyms are penalty, deduction, and fine. What kind of bonus would make you happy? Is praise a kind of bonus? Our next word is carefree. Say it with me, carefree. Carefree is an adjective. It means without troubles, worries, or responsibilities. For example, summer vacation is usually a carefree time for our family. Another example is, the children felt carefree at the park. Some synonyms are untroubled and lighthearted. Some antonyms are troubled, worried, and anxious. What does a carefree day look like? When do you feel carefree? Our next word is courtesy. Say it with me, courtesy. Courtesy is a noun. It means polite, thoughtful, or considerate behavior. It can also mean a polite act or a favor. For example, customers appreciate being treated with courtesy. Another example is, a simple thank you is a courtesy everyone can show. Some synonyms are care, concern, regard, politeness, and thoughtfulness. Some antonyms are discourtesy, disregard, and rudeness. What are 2 ways you can show courtesy at school? Why is courtesy important? Our next word is manufacture. Say it with me, manufacture. Manufacture can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, manufacture means to make something, especially using machinery. It can also mean to make up something. As a noun, manufacture means the making of something, especially using machinery. For example, I had to manufacture an excuse. Another example is, a factory in our town specializes in the manufacture of automobile parts. Some synonyms are assemble, construct, build, produce, invent, and concoct. Some antonyms are destroy, ruin, and disassemble. What things are manufactured in a factory? Why do people manufacture products? Our next word is mistrust. Say it with me, mistrust. Mistrust can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, mistrust means a lack of confidence. As a verb, mistrust means to have no confidence in someone or something, to be suspicious of, or to doubt. For example, some people have a deep mistrust of politicians. Another example is, sometimes I mistrust my own judgment. Some synonyms are doubt, uncertainty, suspicion, question, and disbelieve. Some antonyms are trust, confidence, belief, and believe. What can help people build trust? Why can mistrust be a problem? Our next word is noticeable. Say it with me, noticeable. Noticeable is an adjective. It means easy to see, likely to be observed, or worthy of attention. For example, we saw a noticeable improvement in their play. Another example is, there was a noticeable change in the weather. Some synonyms are observable, visible, obvious, and evident. Some antonyms are overlooked, hidden, and obscure. What is a noticeable change you can see in nature? How can effort lead to noticeable improvement? Our next word is overthrow. Say it with me, overthrow. Overthrow can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, overthrow means to overturn or to bring about the fall or end of something. As a noun, overthrow means an act of bringing something down or defeat. For example, the rebels will overthrow the cruel ruler. Another example is, the people celebrated the overthrow of the heartless king. Some synonyms are remove, bring down, topple, destroy, ruin, collapse, and defeat. Some antonyms are preserve, support, and restore. What does it mean to overthrow a ruler? What is a peaceful way to solve problems? Our last word is peculiar. Say it with me, peculiar. Peculiar is an adjective. It means not like the normal or usual, odd, curious, or belonging to a particular person, place, or thing. For example, everyone is talking about the peculiar weather this year. Another example is, the bird made a peculiar sound. Some synonyms are bizarre, unusual, and strange. Some antonyms are ordinary, routine, and regular. What is something peculiar you have noticed? Can being peculiar ever be a good thing? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 13. Let's read them one more time. Abstract, ally, appoint, attentive, bonus, carefree, courtesy, manufacture, mistrust, noticeable, overthrow, and peculiar. Keep practicing these words so you can understand them. Remember them and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.